Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber, uh, real estate investor, and automotive consultant expert. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, look, that's for you guys. You guys know who you are. But look, this is just a quick little nugget I wanted to bring you. I found this today, and I was just blown away by it. And it's got to be the best. I call it the best credit card you could, if you carry a balance in 2020, without a doubt. But before I dive right in, look, hey, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment if you like. Please subscribe. And most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. Look, I'm talking about the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card offer. It's just incredible. Look, if you carry a balance, this has got to be the best card I've seen. I can't in forever. So if you're looking for a card with super low interest for a very long time, you'll be hard pressed to find a better deal than offered by SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card. Here's the thing: it's not available in every state. Uh, that's the only catch, and I'll tell you the states here in a second. But look, check this out. And the other thing too is there's no 0% interest for a short period of time. But look, compare with similar cards, the low interest period is silly long, 3.25%, 3.3 and a quarter percent prime rate. That's what prime is, guys. Equates to about I want to say 4.74 APR for the first 36 months. 36 months for all balances transferred within 60 days of the account opening. And then ongoing APR 11.24 to 21.24 variable APR. Of course, depending on your credit. One thing I did notice, you're gonna need about a 700 to get this card. You guys, if you know, I normally don't do a whole lot of good credit cards. I generally focus on, no credit and bad credit stuff. If this card is incredible, if you need to carry a balance, that's a lengthy peace of mind to know that you won't be paying through the nose for interest rates. However, other cards do have a shorter promotional period for, 0%. You'll find some that are 14 months, 12 months, 18 months, but we talking about 36 months, guys. The no balance transfer fee also stellar. If your if your credit card balance happens to be on another card, no worries. You can move the balance to this card without paying a balance transfer fee, assuming you transfer within the first 60 days of opening an account. After that, the fee is 3% of the balance transfer, or a whopping $10, whichever is greater. Credit cards typically charge a balance transfer fee of 3 to 5%, which eats up into the interest savings from the transfer of the balance. Once again, it's not available in every state. Here's kind of the main catch for many people. If you have an account with SunTrust, you can apply for this card from any state in the U.S. except for Vermont, according to the issuer. But if you're not an account holder, the issuer will accept applications only from 11 states and Washington, D.C. as of February 2020. Those states are Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, West Virginia, and Virginia. It comes with rewards and a bonus. You don't expect to sign up bonus with this type of card, but it has a $100 statement credit after you spend $500 on qualifying purchases in the first 3 months after opening an account. You also earn 1% back on everything you purchase with the card. If you're a SunTrust customer, you earn a loyalty bonus of 10%, 25%, or 50%. Wow. Of the amount redeemed based on the type of account you have and how much money you have on deposit. The bonus and rewards aren't amazing compared to a lot of Primo cards. That's true. But the fact that the card is in this category offer a bonus and rewards at all is nice. Besides having no balance transfer fee, the card has an annual fee of zero. Unbelievable. And no foreign transaction fees. It does, however, have the usual fees for cash advances and late fees, of course, for example. Carrying a balance Carrying a credit card balance isn't ideal, but if you have to have one, the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card can reduce what you pay in interest for a very long time. Look, this is an incredible card. I would say, man, if you can get it and you have the credit for it, you're going to need at least a 700. But wow, we talk about 36 months. So I would, if you have anything, and look, the 0%ers are good, but maybe you have more than, maybe you have more than one balance that's, you already used up the 0% card. This is a great option. So look, I just wanted to drop that to you. I kind of ran across it today. And I wanted to share that with you. Look, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Be safe, stay 6 feet away, wear a mask. So until the next video, we'll see you guys. Subscribe. Peace, y'all.